In this video, you're going to learn to add a text comment as part of your automated test results and upload it using the TestRail CLI. The TRCLI is a command line interface tool that allows you to effortlessly upload test automation results from any JUnit XML file to TestRail. As an example, I'm going to use a JUnit in Selenium project, which is available in our GitHub repository, and I'm using the specification-first approach, meaning that I automated test cases already documented in TestRail. For example, C100 here in TestRail corresponds to the automated test case. Verify the title of homepage. You can see I passed the ID C100 using the annotation feature provided by the TestRail JUnit extensions. The same with the other test cases, C101 and C109. So, the TestRail CLI will map through automated test cases with the documentation and upload the results without duplicating your test cases and messing up your repository in TestRail. Now, sometimes you may have a requirement to pass a test comment with your test cases and upload it as a part of the test result. So let's do this with the verified presence of the demo link test. The first thing you need to do is pass the TestRail Test Reporter class and create an object. For example, custom reporter. Well, you might ask, where's this class coming from? If you go to the pom.xml file, you will find the TestRail JUnit extensions. This is the origin of this class. When you add the TestRail JUnit extensions, you get the class and you can create the customer reporter. You can also see at the top of my test class, I'm using the extend with annotation with the TestRail Test Reporter parameter resolver.class. Don't forget to add the extend with annotation as well. Having that and the JUnit extensions, you can simply add a custom reporter, which has the method setProperty. For passing a comment, the property is TestRail_result_comment. You can pass whatever comment you want here. For example, I will just write sample comment for test case C101. Okay, a quick review. I've created a custom reporter and passed the object. The custom reporter has the method setProperty. And within the setProperty, this is the name of the property and the comment I would like to pass. The next step is using the TestRail CLI to upload the test results with the comment. So, I'm making sure that the TestRail CLI is installed on my system with the command pip install TRCLI. You can see it's already installed. Good. Now let's run the tests. For this, I'm using Maven clean compile test. This command is going to run my tests and create an XML report in the target folder. You can use the TestRail CLI to parse test automation results from nearly any test automation tool or framework, as long as the tool can export test results in a JUnit-style XML file. As you can see, 3 tests were executed, and out of them, 1 has failed. This is fine, because I deliberately created an invalid test to fail. And it has also created in the target folder the corresponding XML file for the next step, which is sending the test results to TestRail with a comment. For that, I want to use the TestRail CLI comment. The -y option skips the prompts and creates all the entities you need in TestRail. The -c command is for the configuration. In this case, the configurations are in the TRCLI config.yaml file. Let's quickly check that out. Here you will find the host, which is the TestRail instance, and the name of the project where you want the results uploaded. If I go to that project in TestRail, you will see there are no test runs. But once I execute the command, there will be a test run here. Back to the configuration, I also have the username, the password, and the title of my new test run. In the command, I'm using the parse JUnit keyword, and then case matcher as property. You probably already know that. In the specification-first approach, you can parse the test case IDs using the @TestRail annotation and providing the IDs as a JUnit property. That's what I've done here. For last, the option -f mentions where exactly the XML file is located. Now, let's just execute the command. Okay, the TRCLI has uploaded the test results in 9 seconds. You can check the new test run by clicking on the link here. But I'm going to the test runs and results in my TestRail instance, where you can see that a new test run has been created there. If you click on the test run, you have a summary of the results, and scrolling down, all the tests that were executed. So, let's verify if the comment was uploaded as well by clicking on the test verify presence of the demo link. And here you can find the comment passed in the automation code. So, this is how you add a comment as part of automated test results and send it to TestRail using the CLI. You can also enrich your test results with attachments or update automated test results within existing test run using JUnit extensions. Check our documentation and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.